I'm building another Venturi fertigation unit for our sweet corn patch this summer. This hooks up to a 3-inch sprinkler cart, 2000S, and we are able to suck all of the school lunch fish steak goodies out of the garbage can and dump them onto the field when and where we want them. These Venturis can be taken apart and hauled to different places, and ultimately it allows me more control over what goes on my field and when. I have all the parts listed in the description below. I've saved you some time, maybe some money. I would source the Camlocks from ProFlow Dynamics in California. A lot of this other stuff can be picked up locally. But then again, these days, you never know. If you want something, you probably ought to get it. All right, food's not going out of style. Let's get back to work. Time to farm, people.